Alright, let's cut to the chase. You want to hire some international talent under the AEWV scheme, but there's a hurdle in the way called a job check. It's Immigration New Zealand's way of making sure that the job meets all the AEWV requirements and that there are no suitable Kiwis available to fill the position. No shortcuts here. By the way, we have a full article on this topic, so please check it out. I'll drop the link in the description below. Your job needs to be full-time, paying at least a median wage, or a lower rate if the role is on the exemption list. You can't just wave your wand and hire from overseas. You've got to prove that you've made genuine attempts to find a local. This typically means proper advertising and in some cases, engaging with work and income. Now let's talk about the migrant worker. They need to have the skills and qualifications required for the job. You submit a job check application for each role you want to fill with a migrant worker. If it's approved, you get a job token to pass on to the migrant, who then uses it to start their AEWV application. Before you even apply for a job check, make sure you've got the right level of employer accreditation. There are 3 types: standard, high volume, and triangular employment accreditation. Each has its own specific requirements. Gather all necessary details about the job, including the job title, location, corresponding ANSCO code, and the skill level. Prepare an acceptable job offer, job description, and draft employment agreement that meets the AEWV requirements. If your role isn't exempt, you'll need to advertise the job before submitting your job check application. The advertising requirements depend on the ANSCO skill level of the job. For higher skill levels, a 14-day advertisement period might suffice, but for lower skill levels, you could be looking at 21 days plus engagement with work and income. Once you've gathered all the info, you submit your application through Immigration Online. If approved, you get that precious job token. The approval is valid for 6 months, so don't dawdle. Verify that potential applicants meet the AEWV skill requirements, send them the job token, and support their visa application process. And if you find it too overwhelming to deal with it on your own, it really pays to get an experienced immigration lawyer like us on board. We have helped many clients over the years to ensure they're on the right path, and full and proper legal representation from us might be just what you need. Before you go, remember that immigration laws change all the time, and all too often, people miss out because they aren't up to date. It's really important to get a handle on immigration, so watch this video to make sure that you're on the right track. Until next time, see you soon.